Kolkata metropolis, with a population of 15 million, is almost as populous as Norway, Sweden, and Finland put together. The city of Kolkata has charmed many and is famously called the City of Joy, but is also infamously one of the most polluted cities in the world and extremely vulnerable to climate change. During the winter of 2018-19, Kolkata's air was worst across India's metro cities, with 106 severe to poor air quality days and only 5 satisfactory air quality days. Kolkata has one of the highest cases of respiratory illnesses. Air pollution in the city is resulting in life expectancy dropping by 6.1 years. Kolkata is infamously known as the lung cancer capital of the country, and breathing the polluted air is like smoking multiple cigarettes every day.
1 in 8 deaths in our country nowadays is due to air pollution, and in year 2017 there was 12 lakh deaths alone due to air pollution.
Kolkata is one of the most polluted city in the world, and it's increasing day by day. And we are seeing more number of cardiac cases, pulmonary cases, even cancer, especially lung cancer in Kolkata, which are related to pollution, especially in Calcutta. And we are seeing more number of lung cancer cases which are not related to smoking, and those are actually because of this pollution in Kolkata.
Most vulnerable groups are usually the elderly and the children. There is a rise of allergic component in the children, and in the elderly also there is rise of pneumonia incidences, and these are all linked to air pollution.
I'm catering pediatric population. Whatever mother is taking, like either inhaling or by ingesting, that all are leading to damage, fetal origin also. That is causing the lung damage in so many ways that ultimately the long-term effect will be there on the lung.
In Kolkata, the air quality or the PM 2.5 count is 10 to 40 times worse than WHO standards.
These air pollutants are more predominant during this post-Diwali portion, like in the winter months, in the mid-October to begin with.
Air pollution is one of the top 5 causes of deaths in the world today and takes lives of more people than AIDS, malaria, and tuberculosis put together.
So air not only has an implication on the physical health, but also on the mental and the social health. So having clean air is our right air which we breathe. It affects every cell of the body, and it affects all dimensions of health, physical, mental and social dimensions of health.
To combat this silent killer, there is growing consensus that sweeping lifestyle changes and bold policy transformations are required. There are technically and economically feasible solutions available now, along with a growing human and political will. To protect yourself, please avoid outdoor activity during bad air quality days and wear N95 masks. Please keep indoor air purifying plants at home. Say no to single-use plastic. We must go towards a zero-waste lifestyle by composting and recycling. We have to conserve energy and water and use efficient products. Report pollution. Say no to firecrackers. We must use public transport, carpool, walk and cycle, and replace our car with electric vehicles. Let's act for Kolkata clean air and make it the most livable and climate-friendly cities in the world.